The timeless elegance of Tiara is recognizable from great distances, but is also evident in the smallest of details. Sweeping lines make for classic silhouettes, carefully curated colors and materials, and even the layouts themselves establish the highest standards of comfort and sophistication.
We are known for that attention to detail. How boats look matters to us. How they function matter to us. That package, that marriage of those two things, both design and function coming together, is what we're looking for.
Well, I think to begin with, design begins with proportions. When a product has all the right proportions, it's a good design. And we have always been careful about that to make sure that the proportions are right. And I think that's why our product is recognizable on the water.
And so while our boats are still beautiful and while they're designed to be beautiful, I think the essence of beauty for us is what's behind that, not necessarily what it is on just the surface.